Okay, here you go.
Alright, so this is going to be a quick demonstration on our Alliance's grinding unit. Basically, you'd have a set of racks. Okay, well, this is the grinder. And over here would be our center ram. And you'd have a rack here, a rack there, and your pipe. You bring your first pipe over top, lift it up with hydraulics on the balls. And then you'd have the pipe on here. Then you got your hydraulics to operate your balls, right? So pick up your center of the pipe, and you have a round to pick up this one. Then we drive roll it in. Can you see that, Smooth? Alright?
Yeah.
Drive roll the pipe in. Get it laid out right about here. Where the section that you're gonna grind. Big grinding stone here. Once you get the pipe on here, you've got a set of balls, rollers to spin the pipe. Then we turn on our power for the stone, and we grind away. Has a few options for sliding your head in positions. And then when you're doing shoulders on your tool joints, you can lift up the hydraulic ram like this, and it'll get your 18-degree taper on your shoulders. Fairly simple unit. And that'll be it.